How to earn SoFi points. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So if you're using SoFi, you might already know about their member reward program. But are you actually earning points? SoFi points can be redeemed for cash, investments, student loans, payment, and balances. And the best part, you can earn them just by using your account. We'll break down the easiest way to start stacking SoFi points and getting more value from your everyday financial activity. For that, first of all, if you have a SoFi checking and saving account, activate your debit card. Just by doing that, you can earn points. It's one of the simplest actions to get started. Next, enroll in SoFi's bill pay feature. When you schedule and complete bill payment through your account, you are rewarded with extra points automatically. And just like that, if you have SoFi Credit Card, use it for everyday purchases. Every eligible transactions earn points, and they add up fast. You can even boost your earning by choosing to redeem these points towards investing or paying down SoFi loans. And just like that, enroll in SoFi's free credit score monitoring. Not only does it help you stay on the top of your financial health, but also you'll earn points just for signing up. So, SoFi constantly updates way to earn, like logging into the app, linking your external bank account, or watching educational videos. To find them, you can go ahead and tap on a reward icon that looks like a diamond in the top left corner of the app. Then head to the Ways to Earn section to see what's available. And that's it guys, earning SoFi points is easy and built right into your everyday activity. Whether you are paying bills, swiping your cards, or checking your credit, there's a real value waiting in your account. Don't leave the reward on the table. Check your rewards tab today and start earning. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.